So we've got here the Renogy 1000 watt Pure Sine Wave Inverter, and we're going to go ahead and connect up the cables on this end and show you basically how to do that. So have a look at the input end of the inverter. You'll see that we've got basically these covers, and they've got a couple of little pressure tabs in there. If you squeeze on those, these will release and that'll come out like that, and same on the black one. So just a little tab that'll come out, and there you have it, and that's released our actual terminals here. Now these, they may need to use a wrench and screwdriver for undoing these, or they might be finger tight. Let's see how you go. So mine are finger tight, so I'm just going to loosen off that nut on black, the negative. Go ahead and we'll connect that one up. So we're basically putting that through our ring there, and we'll do that up. There we go, that's good. Alright, and I'm going to do the same with the positive terminal. In case I can't see what's happening, we'll turn that over. So we've got that little there, which we're screwing into. Basically, you want to ensure that these are firm and that they're not going to come loose or go anywhere. I'm going to tighten this one up a little bit too. Alright, so we've got those attached now. They're nice and firm, that's good. We'll just put these covers back on. So we just want to slot them over the cable. You can reattach those. And there, just put them straight back in. Same on this side. Positive. And again, we're just going to put that back in there. And there we go. We've connected our cables up to the inverter and we're ready to connect that into a battery. So hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me.